Oh,
yan pala
yeah.
yan.
This is a vegetable lumpia. Yeah. And then the shake. All right,
you.
thank you.
Kaya saan ang kutsara?
Oh, meron.
Oh. Yan pala yun? Ay, ito pala yun?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a vegetable. It's our snack.
Ay, oo, yan nga yun. Ginagawa
Okay,
ni
thank
Mami.
you.
Thank you.
All right.
Dito ka paano ko makikita yun?
Kasi I have to. You need to try it first so you can see if it's good, Miss Liza.
Pinunasan na to ah.
We are in Villa, Manila, having our snack for today and discussing business with Miss Liza with her 10 million account. I'm going to discuss with her how to make it so she can retire in 5 years.
That's right. That's why, guys, come and join us. You will like the product.
All right.
And it's good for your family, and it's so nice to be able to get ready your kids for college degree.
That's right.
Right?
Yes.
So everybody's happy. This is for our family, special for our kids.
Oh yeah. Here, ikaw na mag-text.
Reality.
I-take mo nga beautiful. Just don't
There you go. Here, Elena Madrigal.
Yes, we're having our snack today, the mango.
He already got my policy right there.
Yeah, the policy, the 10 million account that I'm going to discuss with her. So we'll see how she's gonna like
All I have to do is sign.
That's all she needs is sign. Let's see, this is our lumpia ubod.
This is lumpia. I remember my mom.
This is a vegetable lumpia from...
This one is so nice. Here we go. Say hi, Elena.
Hello. Okay, let's see.
This is San Diego right now. It's 90 degrees outside and
Hindi
we're
masyadong matamis. Oh, good.
no, because you need to shake it one.
Mas maganda nga hindi matamis. Ano ka ba?
Oh, okay. You need to blend it together.
Mas maganda yun lang ang kainin mo. Sandali.
Yes. It's clean.
Sigurado ka. Ano yun na?
Let's see if it's good. This is we're supposed to go to Boba, but we decided not to because there's no sit down place.
Yes. From now, naku, may tubig. Let's see and check this first before we discuss our business.
Yes, try it. Let's see what's happening with our lumpia.
You can call us if you are interested.
If you're hungry and looking for more food,
We're in Villa, what's this?
Villa, Manila. It's a Filipino cuisine.
Ano ba to? Ganito lang ito? Ay,
That's the sauce.
nilipat na.
It's 90 degrees outside.
Baka naman wala ngang ano, pero lahat naman ng alikabok.
No, there's no alikabok. This is not like you don't want COVID, right? You want fresh air. We're out here. Well, when you gotta be satisfied and just say enjoy the food. You decided to be out here and try. Let's see the lumpia ubod.
Enjoy your life as you can.
Yes. Tomorrow is
Special.
never promised.
Yes.
So-
And always be thankful to God, okay?
Amen to that.
Amen to that. Now